Hello everyone and welcome to 1980s Retro. So today I'm going to be talking about my CG Trader account, which is at 1980s Retro. That's the name of the account. So on here I've got pretty much all the models I've featured on my YouTube channel on the little clips. So I've done, this is the Insignia aftershave bottle. Looks pretty cool. I've not really uploaded the video for that or any other renders, so it's a pretty basic one. That's why it's only priced at $2. I got inspired to make that because growing up in the 80s, Insignia was one of the leading brands, and we used to basically bath in that stuff. It was excellent. So anyway, it's available in the following formats: OBJ, PLY, the original Blender file, because as you might or might not know, I use Blender for all my 3D animations and modelling and frigging and everything else. And that's a 2.8 at the moment they're currently on. There's other files and formats there. Pretty much all of them are, or most of them are compatible with most programs, so you should find something that will be compatible to whatever you're using, be it Autodesk, Macs or whatever. Anyway, you can download that for the good price of $2. I'm not sure how much that is in British pounds.
Artlist.io.
There you go. If you like to leave a like or a comment or anything like that on any of my models, that'd be much appreciated. So next, and more recently, I've done Baywatch Beach Hut, inspired by Baywatch and David Hasselhoff and all these other guys. I decided to make a beach hut. On a little scene here, I've basically put physics on the flag to make it ripple like that. Panned the camera around, got the sea lapping in against the sand, and the clouds in the back are on a rolling sort of video clip.
Artlist.io.
So that's at the good old price of $3. It's all textured, so you can change that if you like. You just go to the original blend file and change it up however you want it. It's available in other files as well, so it'll probably be, like I say, for it's
Music licensing reimagined.
You'll be able to find something, and if not, then give me a shout and I'll try and resolve any issues you're having. So I've done quite a few. The most complex one was the Airwolf project I did. It took quite a lot of time, inspired by Airwolf, of course. I've also done watches, so a bit of fashion design there. Most of it's related to the 90s, like I say, in one way or another. So Jaws, obviously, that was 1970s to 80s. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. Take care now.
Music licensing reimagined.